All right, now when it comes to third row seating and the third row spacing in this thing, so I'm 6 feet tall. Now I've got the seat pushed as far back as it can in the middle row as well. So a couple things to point out. Now, like I said, I'm 6 feet tall. I still have about 2 inches of head clearance here. So those taller people that are in the back seat can absolutely fit in the back. So as you can see, there's tons of space. We've got 2 seats in the back. We've got our 2 seats in the middle row here as well. Now, a couple things to point out in the Explorer, whether you're looking at the ST or other trim levels, you've got 2 options for the second row seat. So you can either look at a bench seat, so you've got 3 seats in the middle, which gives you 7 total seating capacity, or we've got the 6-seater option instead. So which one you go with is really a matter of personal preference. If you really only need 5 or 6 seats in the vehicle, I'd recommend looking at the dual captain's chairs. It's a little bit easier to pass back into the back, just walking through the center instead of folding the seats down. But again, it's really a matter of personal preference and what you ultimately need in the vehicle.